Hi everyone, welcome to my course, Building Apps with Amazon Honeycode. I am a software developer, a data capture, and business automation specialist. I'm excited that you are here to learn the fundamentals of how to build apps with Amazon Honeycode, which is the tool for building web and mobile applications with no code required. Amazon Honeycode gives you the power to build apps for managing your team's work. Honeycode looks like a spreadsheet and works like a database, allowing you to easily link related data in different tables and visualize these relationships. After setting up your data, you can use Honeycode's App Builder to design your app's interface and add capabilities like forms and navigation. With Honeycode, you can automate workflows, build approval processes, process data calculations, and customize almost any workflow you want. Some of the major topics we will cover include app templates, tables, relations, formulas, forms and layouts, the app builder, and automations. And finally, understanding how these technologies and principles get applied. By the end of this course, you'll know the fundamentals of Amazon Honeycode and be able to create basic applications with it without using any code. No prior Amazon Web Services know-how is needed, but some basic cloud proficiency will come in handy to make the most out of the concepts covered throughout this course. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn the ins and outs of the Building Apps with Amazon Honeycode course at Pluralsight.